How stem cells can transform vision? Regenerating damaged tissues. Stem cells possess the remarkable ability to differentiate into various specialized cell types found in the eye. By transplanting healthy stem cells into the eye, damaged tissues can be regenerated, potentially restoring visual function in individuals affected by eye disorders. Halting progressive vision loss. Stem cell therapy shows promise in treating degenerative eye conditions such as age-related macular degeneration and retinitis pigmentosa. These specialized replace the damaged cell provides patients with an opportunity to retain their remaining vision. Promoting nerve cell repair. In cases of optic nerve damage, like in glaucoma, stem cells can aid in repairing and regenerating injured nerve cells. This holds the potential to restore or preserve optic nerve function, preventing further vision loss and preserving visual acuity. Addressing corneal disorders. Stem cells have shown success in treating corneal disorders and injuries. By stimulating the regeneration of corneal epithelial cells, stem cell therapy can improve vision and alleviate discomfort associated with corneal damage. For more such videos, like and subscribe to our channel.